Hello, 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 hello. एक सेकंड. Hello, hello. Are we live? Looks like, but दिखा क्यों नहीं रहा है? Okay. Hello. ऑलराइट दोस्तों, राधे राधे. स्वागत है आप सभी का. प्रीवियसली स्ट्रीम एंड लिटिल एब्रप्टली लाइट चली गई थी, so hence this stream is 32B. We are continuing from where we left, which was working on this save button. Okay, only if things get changed, then in that case only this save button should be enabled. लेकिन उसमें एक बग आ गया था. आई मीन बग क्या, अभी तो हम कर ही रहे हैं डेवलप, राइट? which was, am I not able to connect to my database? Let me see. Okay, it seems like I'm not able to connect to my database. Just give me a second. Let me edit the API list at current IP address. Someone texted me. Wow. Save, and I think I should be good to go now. I think so. Not yet. Is it not up and running now? It is. Yeah. So the dikkat was, let's say I created a copy, right? But if I move it to trash, so it's the same basically now, right? But still we have this save button, because if you see in our new array we have 4 entries, because we are not removing anything, right? In the this, and we are just putting up status equals to delete, so that is not working great for us. So we have to find a solution. Either we go back to the early step how we were doing it, and that is when the Lodash will work fine. So yeah, so that is what I'm thinking, right? So if we come here to handle not this handle delete operation, right? Transaction ID. So instead of this, control I, if ID matches, okay, just I can just use filter, right? Just use filter. But does filter return? Yes, filter returns an array, right? Should not be equal to transaction ID. Remove all this and previous same item. Item, then it's true. इसको कर देंगे हम ये. I do this and I do this. So what happens if I do this? So I believe it should work better now. Move to trash. Yes, good, good, good. Let me just quickly make a refresh. So we are having only two, right? Two elements here. For some reason, yeah, does not matter. Make a copy. Now it's 4. We do this. we delete this and it's true now. Great. And in that case I can just pass transactions simply without any issue. And yes, that pretty much is it for the delete, save. Yep, that is pretty much it for the portfolio table. में क्या change हो गया? Has changes आ गया. And what did we? Okay, makes sense. Right, import, and then we are doing this, and then we are doing this. Cool. Use effect. So yeah, this will basically be feed save button disabled commit. And yeah, so अपना ये हो गया. राइट, अपने को एक वो चीज़ देखनी है अभी भी. द थिंग हेयर, and if I save this, what happens next? Wow, that did not go well, did it? Save, handle save operation. Wow, what? Okay, this is another edge case. Is it another edge case? I have to check if already a copy of this exists, and I have to do this. So handle copy operation. But for now, let me just trash. Copy. Yes. तो यहाँ पे right, we are giving the name here. Hey, why is delete not working properly? Why is delete not working? Okay, let's do a save. Fix the save thing first. Handle save operation, update transactions. This technically does not make any sense anymore. Let me just do. Okay, because yes, I see. मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, अगर ट्रांजैक्शन है, स्टेटस उसका डिलीट है, तो okay, so I have to deal with this as well, right? Okay, now I remember. So when user clicks on save, instead of sending transactions, I just can't send transactions because let's say if there originally were few transactions, and then user let me just put it out here. Let's say there were four. User adds one and then deletes the same. It's fine. But what if user deletes this? तो उस केस में तो कम हो जाने ट्रांजेक्शन और यहाँ पे इट डज के दिस थिंग टू चेक राइट so in that case what I can do is uh, 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 yes const delete result is equals to instead of export async function delete transaction come on yes I'll have to call delete transaction here but I will have to get all the transaction IDs const delete transaction IDs is equals to I will iterate over the original transactions dot filter, let's say, right, item and item dot id is not found in transactions dot map original transaction dot id. So this will be an array of transaction id and then I'll say includes original dot transaction id और इसको कर देंगे हम ये I'll just simply log it here because I think ideally it should work. What I did here is मैंने पहले अंदर से चलते हैं transactions dot map यहाँ से सारी transaction ID ले ली and that's an array now. फिर मैंने बोला कि उस array में अगर ये वाली ID पे जो हम iterate कर रहे हैं वो है तो नहीं उसको false कर दिया and then this. So let me just quickly do a refresh. So that okay, it's not saved. It does not matter, I guess. I will do this, and I'll do delete, and it should have, and then I'll save and okay, 2. Which one? C03. Okay, this is to be deleted. T03 copy. Yup, correct. And T03 correct. Cool. So for school, and these transaction IDs is an array. So what I'm gonna do is delete uh, delete transaction IDs. What I can do is I can just pass them as a whole object, and I'll get delete result. Now if I come here, delete transaction IDs, where ID multiple records कैसे delete कर रहे थे वो, but I have an array of IDs in user ID table. How can I delete many these IDs? Let's see what it generates. Where ID. Yes, that is what I was thinking. Here. N transaction IDs. Yep. Await result. Delete operation का wait करेंगे, and then we'll just return message success. Cool. And we'll get here, enter this, save this, close this, delete result, upsert result, portfolio name, transactions, right. I will not await here now. I'm gonna do is await promise dot all, I don't know, delete result comma upsert result, right. And is equals to success. CV success. Else this, and I'll save. Delete result message equals to error. Or if this something went wrong, else. In fact, let me just copy this. Portfolio not found. Else if समथिंग लाइक दिस। तो हमने यहाँ पे ये किया, यहाँ पे ये किया, इन दोनों के प्रॉमिस का वेट किया। दैट इज हाउ आई वाज डूइंग इट, राइट? प्रॉमिस डॉट ऑल, yep. Yes sir. Now I need to update transaction portfolio name नहीं है तो ये transaction dot map, just delete this whole lot of thing. Indeed I can remove this db dot transaction update, where this update this connect ये, this gets closed, this gets closed, this gets closed. I remove this, I remove this, I remove that. Nope. And now if I put here and then the yellow one closes, उसके बाद ये नहीं आएगा, ये नहीं आएगा, ये आएगा, right? So transaction, yep. And I just want to console.log. In fact, do this, cool. And here what is I'm doing, delete many, cool, return message success. Yep. Yes, so I believe this should work. Let me just quickly make a refresh. Check the test on the mini right. What I want to do is I want to do everything basically. Add credit T02, pick a date 1st October 125, C02, add, है ना? T01 का मेगा कॉपी, T03 needs to be added, T03 new, add credit debit T04 111, pick a date 2nd, just add. And I just want to move to trash, do delete both of them and save. Okay, पहले वाला हो गया but second वाला नहीं हुआ. Object is not iterable. Object is not iterable. I did make a mistake, but okay, क्या एरर आ रहा है? इनवैलिड प्रिज्मा है, डिलीट मेन्यू. ओके, ओके. Dot filter. नहीं, डिलीट ट्रांजैक्शंस आईडीज, डिलीट ट्रांजैक्शंस होगा. राइट. So if I quickly refresh it, what would my database be looking like? Mouse. .lenght. Sorry, delete transactions. But now then we have an issue. देखो क्या सीन है, मैं एज केसेस मान के लगा के चल रहा हूँ। ठीक है, देखो अगर मान लो कुछ डिलीट ही नहीं हुआ तो देन व्हाई आई शुड कॉल इट, आई शुड नॉट, राइट। तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, डिलीट रिजल्ट को एक वेरिएबल वायर में डाल दिया, तो डिलीट ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट। बट इन दैट केस नहीं है। ओके, सो delete, wait, what I can do is, this is wrong. Let me just put const delete result, delete transactions dot length is greater than 0 है तो ये चलाओ, और नहीं तो ये दे दो, सिंपल। ठीक है, तो डिलीट रिजल्ट में या तो अपन को डिलीट ट्रांजेक्शन्स अगर लेंथ ज़्यादा हुई तो हम ये कॉल कर लेंगे, एल्स विल हैव प्रॉमिस डॉट रिजॉल्व, राइट। सिमिलरली in our upsert result, I want only it update transactions to be called if it is edited, you know. It should not be deleted, rather edited. So let's say I had 5 earlier, you know, let's say I had 5 here, and 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 I deleted one, but I did not edit anyone. So in that case it should not be called. तो इसके लिए यार होगा, राइट, इसके लिए कुछ तो सोल्यूशन होगा। I want to call update transactions only if transactions is edited or new one is added. If deleted, I don't want to call it. Add the check, please. If only deleted. I don't want to call it the check, please. Let's see what AI has to say regarding this particular edge case. Okay, that is good. What are they doing is transactions dot sum. What does array dot sum method in JavaScript does? Okay, it takes a callback function. तो दिस इज द कॉलबैक फंक्शन. तो हर एलिमेंट जाएगा ट्रांजैक्शन में. Makes sense. Makes sense. So has edits. तो पर ऑब्जेक्ट ये चेक करेगा. मैं तो उसके लिए पजेसिव हूँ. I want that. Thank God. Cool, thank you. Upsert transactions. तो transactions डॉट सम. तो हर एलिमेंट इधर आएगा. तो हम उसमें चेक करेंगे कि ओरिजिनल है कि नहीं. मेरी जगह तो म्यूजिक. log तो डिलीट ट्रांजेक्शन्स आएंगे. पहले अपसेट ट्रांजेक्शन्स आएंगे. हमें यहाँ मिल जाएगा. अगर डिलीट में हुआ नहीं तो सिंपल प्रॉमिस रिजॉल्व. अपसेट रिजल्ट मिला तो कूल। यहाँ पे हम वेट करेंगे promise डॉट ऑल। एंड आई जस्ट want to save it। ती है अमृत शराब, शराब नहीं, घूट में तेरा नाम डल, तो मैं शराबी, मैं शराबी, मैं okay, so T01 C01, cool, let's add few records। T02 credit, फायदा निराला है, हमसा चेहरा भी जन्नत की ओर होता है। So let me put your push of fire, oh fire, सुमन में पिल लेट्स गो हायर, कुड़ी कवारे होके चली, नाची चांदी कली कली। C02, right, add record T03 150, let it be C03। okay, सेव करते हैं, फेच करते हैं, क्लियर करते हैं। लुटियाए निगावा, मस्त निगावा, तेरा नाम मुझको दिखेगा। तो what if I just add another T04 credit, तो so 2nd of October add, right, and I edit this one to make it a credit, and I make a copy of this also, control copy, चेंज करना है सर, वो करो। तो I edited, I did a new, I made a copy, and I want to, okay, something went wrong. What? True. What? Okay, let's see what is true. Why is it true? and I will log नन्हे नन्नू ऐसा ना कर मेरे यार So that is what we are trying to do here is checking what we have written user testing चल रही है बस ये अगर थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लोड हो जाए तो मज़ा आ जाए right so if I make a copy cool load load I will edit T0 right so hopefully this should work true false कर में क्यों है What else can we do? What else can we do? Yeah. What we are gonna do is, in fact, 4 1 1 1, right? Make a copy, edit, and if I click save, बहुत कुछ होना चाहिए. रुक जा. Copy object, section, cool. Paste 1 2 3 cool. Don't get called. Yep. Cool. Just save this much. Undefined. Wow. 2 3 4. T01 was untouched, and so T02 was untouched. T02 was supposed to be there. T04 was new, and then T03 guided. Cool. तो हमने उल्टा लॉजिक लिख रखा है. हैंडल सेव कहाँ गया भाई? ओके. या मैं इसलिए एआई पे पता ज़्यादा रिलाई नहीं करता हूँ. आई कुड हैव रिटन इट माई ओन. ओके. अपसेट ट्रांजेक्शन्स. ठीक है, तो मैं सारे ट्रांजेक्शन्स को आइटरेट करूँगा एक एक करके. हर ट्रांजेक्शन को मैं उठाऊँगा. ठीक है. ट्रांजिशनल ट्रांजेक्शन्स, तो वो दोनों अगर इक्वल होंगे what it does. Where is can you explain what it does? Where? एक सेकंड is getting a call. Where क्या तेरा हाँ तो what I think not think believe is dot filter and can simply do this. Cool, this thing works. Key amount T02. This is wrong. T03. उल्टा कर दिया क्या? ओके गलत जगह देख रहा था. हाँ 5 पे आते हैं. Okay. थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया. think यहाँ पे प्लीज टेल मी डेटाबेस अपडेट नहीं हुआ होगा. Because something did went wrong, right? So I guess डेटाबेस अपडेट हो गया. मैं एक सेकंड में दोस्तों, एक सेकंड दो. Yes, I'm back. So I was initially thinking it. Uh, let's just not do this. Or in fact, let me just. We'll see. We comment this much. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. C02 with T02 copy. That is great. And then we have T04 जिसमें मैंने comments नहीं डाले थे, and then we have T03 edited. Yep, so this works. Yep, so this much is working great. But वो बार बार ये क्यों बोल रहा है कि something went wrong? Okay, what I can do is await promise dot all dot then dot catch ch error toast dot success ना यहाँ ना यहाँ x control v is cool. Yep, console.log error. Right, if comment this much for now, and I'm gonna save this here. Okay. Right, cool. This much is cool. And after this, I need to uncomment this. Cool. Right, cool. Yeah, हसीना वो वाली. All right, cool. Add T03 In fact, not here. Add record T03 150 C03 हमारा ही प्यार के save. Quickly refresh it, and I think we have done our save button thing as well. चलो है ना. तो सबसे पहले I'll make a copy of this. T2 will be edited, है ना. 1 stays like this, 3 stays like this. Add T04 credit 200 C04 add T05 130 add. Cool. So this should call only the updated one and not the delete transaction. 1700 ms. ठीक है. Save. Cool. तो only 4. What all 4? Comments नहीं थे जिसमें सबसे पहले. बहुत सही. T05 was new, correct. T04 was new with comments, correct. And then T03 copy was new, and T02 was edit. T3 was like that. T1 was like that only. Alright. Now this is from database. Update transaction only was called. That is great. Now if I do a delete of these two and I move to trash here and I do a save. Cool. So delete में 3 गए and only 3 should have been called. T303, T02 edit or T3 copy, correct. And in this case only delete transaction should have been called, which is great. Now I delete one and I add one. Let's say T06 debit credit 123 1 add, and I do a save. In this case both of them should be called. And I think both of them would have been called now. Just I need to update transaction. Okay, I don't know if delete was called. This is calling wo. I guess it was called. I can just simply go to database, right? And again it's database. So yeah, I think I'll just do one thing. I'll just delete T05, T04, and I will add. Just quickly refresh it once. 1118 milliseconds, right? Yeah. T07 30th or 200 create add, right? Now when I click this, delete transaction was called, update transaction was called, and yeah, cool, and it is success. Now one quick edge case. Update transaction. Yeah. So this far it is working great. Now what if I just send it like this? किसान जैसे सुन कहीं लहर लहर बात से save. Okay, that did not refresh. And मेरे को यहाँ के खाप जो टूटे मेरे होश को जो खुली मेरी होश जो आया मुझे मैंने देखा मैंने जाना वो जो कभी नजरों पे छाया था दिल में समाया था जा भी चुका है और दिल मेरा है अब तन्हा तन्हा न तो कोई अरमा है न तो कोई तमन्ना ना है दिन ना अब जो मेरी रातें हैं उनमें सिर्फ आंसू हैं उनमें सिर्फ दर्द की रंज की बात। क्या हुआ? हाँ भाई चलना आगे। ऐड T01 प्यार की रे हाँ सक्सेसफुली अपडेट कैसे हो गया? पते हो कि हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई बस नहीं। रुक जाओ भाई, तो इसे हटा दो, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, इसे हटा दो। तो डिलीट ट्रांजैक्शन लिए, अपसेट ट्रांजैक्शन लिए, डिलीट का रिजल्ट ही है मैसेज सक्सेस, अपसेट का रिजल्ट ही है मैसेज सक्सेस। प्रॉमिस डॉट ऑल में वैल्यूज ली, दोनों की वैल्यूज, अगर डिलीट रिजल्ट, अगर दोनों का मैसेज सक्सेस होगा तो हम इतना काम करेंगे। राइट, कूल, ठीक है। एल्स इफ पोर्टफोलियो नॉट फाउंड, ते नसका आशीष समाज के लिए नसा, else cool, और मैं यहाँ क्या क्या कर रहा हूँ, cool success error success, yeah, cool. So if I do an add, yep, cool, cool. So this works, and let's quickly see. नहीं, ये नहीं चाहिए। नारायण नारायण हरे हरे, अनगत काल देख, बटी हुई वो है, इसमें कहाँ तू है, चल देख मत के पीछे पाताल देख, चल काल देख, चल मुझे से पाते हैं तो मुझे में आता है। कमेंट। तो दोस्तों हमने सारे एज केस कंसिडर कर लिए हैं, राइट, एंड इट्स वर्किंग ग्रेट। यप, गिव मी अ सेकेंड, लेट मी क्लोज द सॉन्ग्स, यस। तो लेट मी जस्ट सिंक चेंजेस, Yes, you know, everything is working great. अपना मैंने सारे एज केस मैनुअली टेस्ट कर लिए हैं and none of them have any issue, which is great. Great job. Which reminds me, this should be छोटा सा कुछ मिस हो गया. Okay, set transactions. I just saw it is not wo. Why is it not? No. Why is not that? Yep. Alright. And save. Cool. Yes, that is how you should work. Right, so it's working great job, my friends. It's really you know, good that we did everything here. Let me just delete this, it's not worth it. And let me remove the console log. Right, yep, it's working great. ऑलराइट दोस्तों, फिर आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. ये कार्ड वाला बग रह गया था थोड़ा फिक्स करने को, 2-4 छोटे छोटे बग्स हैं, एज केसेस हैं. विल डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम. या इट वाज ग्रेट जॉब फ्रेंड्स. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई होप आप लोगों को भी सीखने को मिला हो, है ना. ठीक है, तो चलो फिर, राधे राधे दोस्तों, बाय.